A window is in the shape of a regular hexagon and rotational symmetry of the order 3 into k. Then k is equal to, find a rotational symmetry. If you have a shape, rotational symmetry of a shape is, if I rotated it about its axis, right, will it come back to the same shape? Any shape, if you rotate it 360 degrees, you make a full circle, you don't come back to the same spot. That much we know, right? However, this is not quite like that. I'm going to say this is a regular hexagon. Suppose we rotated this. This is the same as the original shape. Suppose you take this, you rotate it again. It's the same as the original shape. Suppose you take this, you rotate it again. It's the same as the original shape. Think about this. Think about the axis we are rotating it through, the angle we are rotating it through. This straight line becomes this straight line. So how much are we rotating by? That's key. So this straight line becomes this straight line. Or since it's a regular hexagon, since there are 6 different axes, this straight line can come here. Each of the straight lines can move. And so if you imagine this, then this, I'm going to draw this diagram and show you how this works. So this 1 can go to 2, 2 can go to 3, 3 can go to 4, 4 can go to 5, 5 can go to 6, 6 can come to 1, or we are shifting by 60 degrees. So if we shifted by 60 degrees or 120 degrees or 180 degrees, then every 60 degrees you'll get a new shape. So rotational symmetry can be after you move 60, 120, 180, 240, 300 or 360, or there are 6. The order here is 6. There's 6 different degree rotations about which we can have rotational symmetry, or the order 3 into k is 6 or k is 2.